Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. 5. Replace each incorrect homonym. Symbols of piracy. Parrots. The sight of a parrot sitting near Long John Silver's collar came from the Treasure Island story. Peg legs. This symbol came from Treasure Island too. Pirates might need to have injured legs cut off to ease pain and save their lives. Books. This symbol began with Captain Hook in the Peter Pan story. It is true, a pirate might lose a hand in battle. A blacksmith made a hook from metal found on board the ship, the plank. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.